Just wanted to give you a little Ratchet tour here. Start out here. This is a 3/4 inch drive Craftsman teardrop. 3/4 inch drive Blackhawk. It's an older piece there. An old Craftsman speed wrench, another older speed wrench. This is just a shitty Stanley 3/8. And then matching Stanley 1/4 inch. And we have a bunch of the teardrop Craftsman 3/8. Got this older one here. It's got a W with a diamond, and that's a 3/8. 3/8 breaker bar. What brand is this? Bear with me. Durachrome. Yeah, Durachrome. So, we got a few of the teardrop Craftsman 1/2 inch drives. This is a right soft grip handle 3/8. Older Craftsman 1/4 inch. A bunch of the teardrop Craftsman 1/4 inches. This one here is older, and I might be an industrial. What else? Got this style Craftsman 1/4 inch. And we got so mostly teardrop Craftsman pieces. I do have more I'm going to show you. Up top here. These are all pieces that I got as part of tool lots. This is the newer Craftsman, Chinese made, I believe. Part of a tool lot that I got. I don't think I would ever go out and buy this. But we have that in the 1/2 inch. Again, part of a tool lot, but the 1/4 inch drive Chinese Craftsman. We have a gear wrench, 3/8 drive. Pretty decent chrome one there. We have a Husky. This is got a really high tooth count, and I forget how many, but you just barely move it, and it ratchets. And we have a Husky 1/2 inch drive. But wait, there's more. Okay, so come over here. I like this one. This is a Craftsman USA made. It's got the swivel head, 3/8 drive, and a angled handle. This is a Mac swivel head, 1/2 inch drive with a soft grip. There's a Mac 1/2 inch drive speeder. A snap-on 1/4 inch drive. Craftsman USA 1/2 inch breaker bar. We have a couple of these thumb spinners here. One is a Mac. Can you get this thing to focus here? One's a Mac, and the bottom piece is Craftsman. Now I have there's also a snap-on 1/4 inch speeder. I have about 50 more ratchets in the garage, probably more, but these are the ones I keep indoors. And then I got the Cobalt 150 piece set there. It's got 3 ratchets in it as well, so I know I have more than I'll ever need, but I keep picking them up. I keep getting them in tool lots. So Appreciate it, as always, and take care. Thanks.